Hey, how's it going YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today we're talking about a goal that might sound small but could have massive implications for your future, getting to 0.01 Bitcoin. Just a fraction of a Bitcoin today could change your life and your grandchildren's lives. Let's explore why. Bitcoin's place in the financial world. Bitcoin is currently sitting at around a $2 trillion market cap. That might seem pretty big, but it's tiny compared to global markets like stocks, bonds, and real estate, each worth hundreds of trillions. The thing is, on a Bitcoin standard, many of these markets won't need to exist in their current form. Stocks, bonds, and even real estate often serve as a store of value to hedge against inflation. But Bitcoin, with its finite supply of 21 million coins, is the ultimate store of value. When Bitcoin becomes the global reserve asset, it'll absorb value from these markets, growing exponentially in the process. And those who own even a small amount of Bitcoin now will be positioned to benefit from this massive wealth transfer. Bitcoin is voluntary, the dollar is forced. The dollar is the world's reserve currency today, but not because people choose it. It's forced through policies, coercion, and sometimes violence. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is voluntary and it operates on incentives. Miners are incentivized to secure the network. Users are incentivized to hold Bitcoin as it appreciates in value. The entire system is designed to reward participants while remaining decentralized and incorruptible. The shift from a forced system to a voluntary, incentive-based system is why people are ditching the dollar and embracing Bitcoin as a superior form of money. The scarcity factor: there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. That's it from now until the end of time. Let's put that into perspective. Michael Saylor, one of Bitcoin's biggest holders, have talked about destroying his keys as a donation to the network, further reducing the supply forever. Millions of Bitcoin are already lost forever due to forgotten passwords or lost wallets. Institutional adoption is accelerating, with governments and companies locking up Bitcoin for the long term. If the U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Bill passes, the government could accumulate 1 million Bitcoin, and that won't be allowed to be sold for at least 20 years. This scarcity means owning even 0.01 Bitcoin could represent significant generational wealth in a hyper-Bitcoinized world. Why 0.01 Bitcoin could be generational wealth. Hyperbitcoinization means Bitcoin becomes the standard for global trade, savings, and financial systems. The value of Bitcoin will no longer be tied to the dollar. It'll stand on its own as digital capital and will price everything else in Bitcoin instead of dollars. Owning just 0.01 Bitcoin in this world could provide financial freedom for you and your family for generations to come. It might feel like a small goal now, but in the future, it could be one of the most significant investments of your life. How to start stacking: you don't need to be a millionaire to start stacking sats. Just commit to a consistent plan, whether it's $10 a week, $50 a week, whatever you can afford, and set an automatic recurring purchase. You don't have to try to time the market. Exchanges like River make this easy with no fees on recurring buys. You can use my referral link below and earn some free Bitcoin when you sign up and buy. Focus on the long term. The goal isn't to get rich quick, it's to build lasting wealth. The opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin at these prices won't last forever. Every day you wait is a day you're potentially falling behind in a system that rewards early adopters. Getting to 0.01 Bitcoin is more than just financial gain. It's about securing a piece of the future for yourself and your family. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to start their Bitcoin journey. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.